Opposition leader Dr. Keith Rowley is warning that the Police Service Commission may no longer be as independent as the framers of the Constitution intended, and it may now be open to political interference with the appointment of Nizam Mohammed to the post of chairman of the Police Service Commission. Speaking during debate in the matter in Parliament, Dr. Rowley said no one could deny that Mr. Mohammed is an active politician.
Nobody in this Parliament or in this country can tell us that Nizam Mohammed is not an actively engaged politician. And if that is so, Mr. Speaker, what are we doing advancing to this Parliament that we should make him head of the Police Service Commission?
He outlined some of the political history of Mr. Mohammed, saying his qualifications are not being questioned, but his impartiality is uncertain. Dr. Rowley lamented that with the government's majority there was little the opposition could do. He also questioned whether this was payment for support for the People's Partnership.
So far as they get crumbs on the table, they will allow this to happen. And if you're going to support it as part of the partnership, we're not part of any partnership.
Meanwhile, National Security Minister Brigadier John Sandy called on all members of the Parliament to support the new appointments to the Police Service Commission. He also cautioned the opposition leader, saying Mr. Mohammed has a long history of impeccable service to the nation and aspersions should not be cast on his character.
I think most of the persons sitting in this August gathering will agree that the gentleman of whom we speak is of impeccable character.
The opposition kept its word and voted against the appointment, but the government won the vote 24-10. For CNC3, I'm Satesh Mahabir.